f of x equal to tangent x, and we are going to find f prime of x by first principle rule or by definition, right? So we know that f prime of x is equal to limit h approaches to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So this is the definition of derivative of a function. So given that f of x equal to tangent x, so replace x by x plus h, we get f of x plus h, which is tangent of x plus h. Is it clear? So putting all these values into this formula, so this will become f prime of x is equal to limit h approaches to 0, replace f of x plus h by tangent of x plus h. So tangent of x plus h minus replace f of x by tangent of x. So tangent of x divided by h. Is it clear? Now we know that tangent of x is equal to sine of x divided by cos of x, and similarly tangent of x plus h will become sine of x plus h divided by cos of x plus h. Okay, the above equation can be written as f prime of x is equal to limit h approaches to 0. So this can be written as 1 upon h into tangent of x plus h is equal to sine over cos. So this will be sine of x plus h divided by cos of x plus h. Then minus tangent of x can be written as sine of x divided by cos of x. Is it clear? Now f prime of x is equal to limit h approaches to 0 1 upon h, and now take the LCM of cos x plus h and cos x. So LCM will be cos x plus h multiplied by cos x. This will be LCM, and above numerator will be sine of x plus h time cos x, and then minus cos x plus h time sin x. Okay. Here we will use the fundamental law of trigonometry, and that is sine alpha minus beta, which is equal to sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha and sine beta. Okay, so the above equation will be f prime of x equal to limit h approaches to 0 1 upon h, and here in the numerator we will use this fundamental law. Here consider x plus h is our alpha and x will be our beta, then sine alpha cos beta and cos alpha sine beta. So this whole numerator will become sine alpha minus beta. So this can be written as sine alpha, alpha is our x plus h, and minus beta, and beta is our x. So divided by cos x plus h into cos x. Okay, so here x will cancel out with minus x. So after simplification we get limit h approaches to 0. This will be sine h, and it can be written as sine h divided by h multiplied by 1 upon cos x plus h time cos x. Is it clear? Now apply the law of limit, which is basically product rule of limit, right? So limit h approaches to 0 sine h divided by h time limit h approaches to 0 1 divided by cos x plus h time cos x. Okay, so we know that limit h tends to 0 sine h over h, this limit equal to 1. So, and here we get 1 divided by cos h will be 0, so we get cos x time cos x, and this will become 1 divided by cos square x. Okay, and we know that 1 over cos x equal to secant x, so this will become secant square x, right? So f prime of x is equal to secant square x. So this is the derivative of tangent x, or d over dx tangent x is equal to secant square x.